How to update iPhone software faster. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi as shown. Ensure you're connected to a fast and stable network, which is crucial for a quick software update download. For confirmation, open the Safari web app and run an internet speed test. Now, go to the internet speed test by searching and check your internet speed. A faster connection will significantly reduce the overall update time. Go back to the Settings app and go to Battery. It is very important to disable low power mode, as this feature can slow down background activity and downloads. In Settings, navigate to General and then tap on Software Update as shown. Your iPhone will now automatically check for the latest iOS version available. When the update appears, select Update Now. With these adjustments, your iPhone will download and install the new software much faster. Following these steps, you can easily update software faster on an iPhone.